here. We're on the Milwaukee River on this fine fall day of September 29th. It's me, Roy, and Andy. Andy invited us, and it's been a real jungle out here. We've seen wild birds, goats from Canada, geese from Canada. Can you believe it? Geese in Milwaukee. Canada geese in Milwaukee. And right now I'm stuck in a cell of water. I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah, you can go around that little island, or I think stay to the left, but go college age, kind of clean up myself in the park area. We go up into Oh yeah, yeah. Go to Florida.
Without what?
This is like a lazy
river without anything.
without.
That looks
What
pretty
does that
nice.
mean? I can turn on a dime.
That means you can make very sharp turns, very
It doesn't
maneuverable.
do very sharp turns.
No?
Down the river with a can of Miller.
Where's mine? Where's mine?
The rod makes a little spray.
Yeah,
That one?
I had a bite.